having trouble finding a topic last night because it was kind of a vague. So I decided to do something like weird and wacky. So I decided to answer the big question, for all of, for
What's the big question, Tim?
the big question is, alright, so if a spaceship came to Earth, what would aliens look like? How serious is that? That's so serious. So what would an alien look like if he came to Earth? In other words, would he look like us? Would he be like 2 arms, 2 legs, a head? Well, I don't have a head, but
yeah, you do.
Or would he look like a big blob of jelly? Kind of. So that's like, that was a question I wanted to learn about. So, I looked it up online. And I found a couple responses, and a couple theories. There's a group of scientists who think that aliens wouldn't look like us because, in order to look like us, we'd have, and a creature would have to evolve the same way as we did, same DNA, same surrounding environment. So, and they're not sure how many environments like Earth there would be for, aliens to develop on. So they think that they would look a lot more different, more like the Blob, rather than E.T., for example, because different environments, different oxygen levels, different pressure in the atmosphere, different gravity all play into the evolution. So that's one underlying theory, and they think that sort of this anthropomorphized theme of aliens we see in movies is kind of egocentric to humans. We want them to look like us. But then on the other hand, there's these other theories that aliens actually can look like us because there are recent findings that DNA is actually a universal constant. Because as we know, DNA is based mostly, all living things are based mostly off carbon, and they're finding that this could be a universal constant, especially the 20 chemicals that make up your DNA. They're finding that they can survive in low temperatures and in low pressure environments. So this could actually mean that extraterrestrials actually take an evolution similar to ours, which means that we could find some of them that actually look like us, that have evolved 2 hands, 2 legs, head, eyes, ears, and so I thought that was pretty cool. So so in other words, you'd be more likely to find an alien that looks like, say, I don't know, something from Star Trek, what are those guys? Klingons. Then say, the alien from the Alien franchise, that one. And they're saying that, an alien would look more like us than, something else. So I thought it was cool to see different theories kind of come together and explain something totally,
Serious.
Yeah, totally serious. So, yeah, that was mine. I'm done.
Yeah.